everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can print a production process. So first of all, let us go to our browse module option. Now click on production module. Now once you will come in production module, please check. This is one of my production process which is completed. Let me open this production process. Now after opening the production process, please check on your right hand side there is an option of print. Please click on print. Now, once you will click on print, there are two options, expanded and condensed. What is expanded and condensed? So let me show you. So suppose if I went ahead and simply just mention expanded, please check all the detail came in here. That means if there are sub-processes and its raw material will also come in the same production process. You can very well go ahead and use the print option here. You can change the destination and select the printer, and then after can print it. You can use the portrait layout or you can use the landscape layout, and accordingly can go ahead and print it. Now what is in the condensed? So let me go back, click on condensed. Now please check, once I clicked on condensed, the sub processes, the child processes are not coming in this particular print. You can use the portrait here as well, and then after I can go ahead and just select the destination of the printer, and then after I can print it. So this is how you can print a production process in expanded and condensed view. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to print the production process. Have a good day ahead.